Hello everyone. We are Nacho and myself, Sabe, and we are going to, Nacho is going to present the integration between the PTT Pro and the LMR or DMR radios. So, Nacho, please.
So, today, as Sabe said, we are going to show this demo case. It's a demo case that we have created to show the functionalities between the Zebra devices and the coexistence on this PTT solution with the local mobile radios, the digital radio. In this case, we have one radio and one station that we are going to connect with a few MC40s. Okay, so let me open the second flow of this luggage. It's already turning on. On the luggage, we see here the station for the radio, some cradle for the batteries of the MC40 that you could actually charge. There you go. Then you have one access point, an audio mate that it will connect it to the station, and then you have another server which is connected is intent to be used for the solution of Workforce Connect for voice, basically, plus the power supplies and so on. Okay, so let's start this demo. So to make it work, this demo case, the only thing that we need actually is an Ethernet connection with few open ports to connect to the server of PTT. So you could see the Zebra PTT Pro application is already installed. As soon as you launch it, it's connected to the access point which is on the demo case, and it goes straight to the server. So they get the authentication and the license and so on. So you see already that they have already a few devices. This device has two MC40s plus one LMR radio. The same for the other ones, MC41, MC40.3, and so on and so forth. So the test that we are going to show today is that when you have a customer that they have this kind of radios, how easy it is to implement that with our devices. You could have an opportunity. They have MC40s, TC50, 51s, 56, and you want to make it the one single application to delete these boundaries of communication, basically. So when I will press the button to send a message, a group will be open on the MC40s. On all my communication will open a group, and the information I will transfer from my radio, it will go through all my devices which are in the same group. This is the kind of functionality that is offered to you this PTT Pro from Zebra. Let's do the test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have seen, as soon as I just pressed the button, there was a group open on the MC40s, and they get the message and information from my radios, from my LMR radio to my devices. It's easy to implement, but now we want to do the opposite. For that, and to make it the most easy to show, I just wanna turn off few devices, so you could actually hear the voice coming from the MC40 to the radio. So how it's actually turning it and so on. Okay, now you could see they cannot find any device. They need to refresh still. But if I open one, I do the same as I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you see there that it's only two devices in the group which are actually available, which is the MC40.1, which is the device, and my radio. And if I do the opposite, basically, just turn it on and leave the volume up, I get back. I'm gonna talk from the MC40, and the information I'm gonna transfer, it will go up to the walkie. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you have here the 1, 2, 3, 4 that I just set from my MC40 to my device. This actually is a demo case that we have in Zebra, just to show how easy it is to implement the PTT. All that is what you should have already installed on your partner. So basically, you just need a few licenses to make it work, to remove these boundaries in communication, to make it work with a radio, analog, or digital to the Zebra devices using PTT Pro. Thank you very much, and see you next time.
Okay, bye, thank you.